In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a Facebook Live event on your feed. 5 minutes. A live event is a special kind of post that highlights major moments like moving to a new city, starting a new job, graduating, or celebrating a milestone. It's designed to stand out on your profile and in your friends' feeds. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Facebook account on a desktop browser. Start by going to facebook.com. Once you're on your home feed, look for the post composer near the top of the page. It usually says what's on your mind. Click that to open the full post window. This is where you'd normally write a status, but we're going to dig a little deeper to access the live event options. Inside the composer, find the three-dot icon. Clicking the three dots expands the full list of post types and tools beyond the basic text and photo options. This menu is where Facebook keeps additional post formats, including the one we want. From that expanded list, click Live Update. This opens the dedicated Live Event Creator, which is tailored for highlighting major milestones. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list until it appears. Next, choose a category that best matches your update. You'll find options like work and education, family and relationships, home and living, travel, health, and more. Picking the right category helps Facebook format the post and makes it easier for people to understand what you're celebrating or announcing. If nothing fits perfectly, select the closest match. Now enter your details, give your live event a clear title, add a short description to provide context, and set the date the event happened. You can also add a location if it's relevant, tag people who are part of the moment, and upload photos or videos to make it stand out. Take a moment to check the audience selector and choose who can see this post, such as public or friends, based on your comfort level. Keep your wording concise and meaningful, and make sure the date reflects when the event actually occurred, not just when you're posting it. When everything looks right, click Done. Facebook will publish the live event to your feed and add it to the live events section on your profile, so it's easy to find later. If you need to change anything after posting, open the post menu and choose Edit to update details or privacy. That's it, you've successfully posted a Facebook Live event to your feed.